Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to group rows in Smartsheet. All right, it is actually pretty easy. For example, just below, okay, these rows right here. What I'm going to do is just go ahead and add in maybe the group leader, okay, and below is the list of the group members, okay, maybe member 1, member 2, member 3, okay. So what we're going to do is just select all cells that is below the group leader or the group cell. Okay, and then once it's selected, you can now go ahead and go to the top and click on indent. Okay, it says here, make selected rows sub-items that can be expanded or collapsed. Click on it. All right, as you can see, we now have this minus key and plus key. Okay, when we tick on minus, as you can see here, from 12, it jumped to 16 because we already used some cells or rows. Okay. Now let's say you're going to add in some data in here, maybe X, Y, and Z. 1, 2, 3. Maybe Q, W, E. Now what we're going to do is just go ahead and click on the minus icon. And as you can see, all the data from those rows are gone as well. Okay. Now if you want this one to pop out right besides the group leader text in here, you might want to create another sheet. Okay, as it's not going to work if you already have data in a sheet. Maybe this one. GL or the group leader. I'm going to go ahead and maybe add in M1, M2, M3. Okay, select cells, indent. There you go. That's what I meant. And there you have it. That's how you group rows in Smartsheet. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.